Cut the clutter and rethink how your TV should work. Fast, seamless, and cable-free. In a world overloaded with streaming choices, finding the best Fire TV Stick 4K Plus with USB power cable isn't just about features, it's about transforming your entire viewing experience into something smarter, cleaner, and effortlessly powerful from the moment you press play. There are many best Fire TV Stick 4K Plus to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best Fire TV Stick 4K Plus from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. TiVo Stream 4K is a powerful and versatile streaming media player designed to simplify your entertainment experience by eliminating the need to switch between multiple apps, offering a centralized interface where you can search, browse, and create watch lists across all your favorite platforms. Supporting popular services like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more, it ensures quick access to content while its intelligent recommendation system suggests shows and movies based on your preferences rather than where they are hosted. Equipped with Google Assistant, it allows seamless voice control, enabling you to search for content, open apps, and even control smart home devices effortlessly. With a compact design, low power consumption of up to 5W, and an operating temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, it is both efficient and reliable for everyday use. Many users praise its performance, often considering it superior to similar devices in its price range, and appreciate its ability to reduce cable expenses. However, experience can vary, as some users report occasional crashes, connectivity issues, or setup challenges, while others find it stable and user-friendly, especially when placed near a strong Wi-Fi connection. Number 2. UHD Pro 4K Video Recorder is a standalone Ultra HD recording solution designed for users who want to capture high-quality video without needing a PC, offering HDMI input recording directly to USB storage devices or TF cards with support for cinematic 4K at 24 FPS and up to 4K at 30 FPS, while also enabling smooth 4K at 60 FPS pass-through for real-time viewing on a TV. Powered by efficient H.264 and H.265 codecs, it ensures high-quality recordings with manageable file sizes and supports multiple file systems including exFAT, NTFS, FAT32, MBR, and GPT, making it flexible for different storage setups, while its ultra-low latency of under 90 milliseconds and selectable resolutions with up to 50 megabits per second bitrate deliver responsive and customizable performance. Ideal for recording online meetings, gameplay, PC screens, or UHD media playback. It features pause and resume recording, audio-only capture, and scheduled tasks for convenience, and works with a wide range of HDMI output devices such as DVRs, DSLRs, camcorders, gaming consoles, and laptops, though it does not support HDCP-protected content. Users appreciate its easy setup and reliable out-of-box functionality, especially for beginners, but some report limitations including inconsistent audio levels, occasional file corruption, washed-out colors, and mixed 4K performance, particularly with modern consoles defaulting to 60 Hz output, making it better suited for controlled recording environments rather than advanced 4K gaming capture. Number 3. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Plus is a powerful and compact streaming solution designed to transform any compatible TV into a smart entertainment hub, bundled with a Mission USB power cable that conveniently powers the device directly from your TV's USB port, eliminating the need for a nearby AC outlet while using advanced power management circuitry to ensure stable performance. Delivering a cinematic viewing experience, it supports stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution along with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and immersive Dolby Atmos audio, creating vibrant visuals and rich sound quality for movies, shows, and more. Powered by a quad-core 1.7 GHz processor with improved performance and Wi-Fi 6 support, it ensures smooth streaming even in busy networks, while offering access to over 1.8 million movies and TV episodes through popular apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and Max. The included Alexa voice remote adds convenience with voice control, allowing users to search content, control playback, and manage compatible devices effortlessly, while Bluetooth 5.2 and HDMI 2.1 compatibility enhance connectivity. Easy to set up and user-friendly, it is ideal for both beginners and experienced users looking to cut cable costs, though some services may require subscriptions and 4K playback depends on compatible TV and internet conditions. Number 4. Amazon Fire TV Stick HD Bundle is an affordable and user-friendly streaming solution designed to bring seamless full HD entertainment to any compatible TV, combining the Fire TV Stick HD with a Mission USB power cable that allows the device to draw power directly from your TV's USB port, eliminating the need for a nearby wall outlet while using smart power management to maintain stable performance. Powered by a quad-core 1.7 GHz processor and equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi and dual-antenna MIMO technology, it delivers smooth streaming with minimal buffering, while 8 GB of internal storage ensures space for apps and content. Users can enjoy access to hundreds of thousands of free movies and TV episodes through ad-supported platforms like Freevee, Tubi, and Pluto TV, along with additional subscription-based services, all easily navigated using the included Alexa voice remote that enables voice search, playback control, and device management, supporting 1080p and 720p output at up to 60 FPS with HDR formats like HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG. It enhances viewing quality, while Bluetooth 5.0 allows connection to headphones, speakers, and controllers. Compact, lightweight, and easy to set up, it is ideal for first-time streamers, though content availability and features may vary by region and service subscriptions. Number 5. Roku Ultra Ultimate Streaming Player is a premium streaming device built for speed, performance, and an immersive home entertainment experience, delivering ultra-fast operation that is 30% quicker than other Roku players, ensuring apps launch instantly and navigation feels smooth and responsive, while supporting stunning 4K resolution with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision for vibrant visuals paired with Dolby Atmos audio for cinematic sound. Designed with convenience in mind, it includes the advanced Roku Voice Remote Pro featuring rechargeable battery life, backlit buttons for easy use in the dark, hands-free voice control with Hey Roku, and a built-in lost remote finder, eliminating common frustrations. Offering flexible connectivity, it supports both Wi-Fi 6 for fast wireless streaming and Ethernet for stable wired performance, making it ideal for any room setup, while Bluetooth headphone mode allows private listening or connection to external speakers for enhanced audio. The intuitive Roku interface provides easy access to a wide range of popular streaming apps, free content, and personalized recommendations, making content discovery simple and enjoyable. Customers praise its high-quality performance, sharp picture, and lag-free streaming, though some note occasional remote or connectivity issues and interface ads, yet overall it remains a reliable, feature-rich choice for modern streaming needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.